That's why Diwali is celebrated by most part of India. It is not religious oriented. People celebrate in their own religious ways. So now I start with Narayana Sukta. Om Sahasrashirisham Devam Vishwaksham Vishwasambhuvam Vishwam Narayanam Devam Aksharam Paramam Padam Vishwadah Paraman Nityam Vishwam Narayanagum Harim Vishwam Evedam Purushattat Vishwam Vajivati Patim Vishyasyaskeshwaragum Shashvatagum Shivamatchudam Narayanam Mahajneyam Vishwasmanam Parayanam Narayana Paro Jyotiratma Narayana Parah Narayana Param Brahmatattvam Narayana Parah Narayana Paro Dhyata Dhyanam Narayana Parah Etchaginjagat Sarvam Drishyate Shruyate Piva Andarvaichidat Sarvam Yapya Narayana Siddha Anantamapyayam Kamikum Samudrentam Vishwasambhuvam Padmakosha Prayikasham Hridayam Chapnikomukam Adonityavishasyante Napyam Harithishtati Dvalamala Kulam Bhati Vishwasyayatanam Mahate Chandatagum Shiravistulam Vatyagot Sannibam Tasyante Shishiragum Sushmam Kasmin Sarvam Kadishtitam Tasya Madhye Mahanaknir Vishwakshir Vishwadamukah Swata Gunjindan Dishtannaha Ramadharakavihi Didya Bhutamagashai Rasmayas Satsantata Santapayatitvam Dehamapatamartakaha Tasya Madhye Mannishika Aniyo Odya Vyavastitaha Nilatoya Madhyasta Vidyulleke Vapasvara Niva Pasugavasyanti Pitava Aswasyanupama Tasya Ashikaya Matne Parama Atma Vyavastitaha Shastram Masasi Vasyaha Rishrendra Shokshara Paramasvarat Ritagum Satyam Param Brahma Purusham Krishna Pingalam Udvaredam Virupaksham Vishwarupaya Vainamo Namaha Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat.